Hello, this is Tony Hiller from RealClimateScience.com, setting the record straight about climate. This video discusses the commonly made claim that U.S. springs are getting hotter and drier and that forest fires are increasing as a result. The Union of Concerned Scientists says springtime is getting hotter and drier in the U.S. and that it is causing more forest fires. They also say it's your fault and that you can take action to change the weather. Is there any scientific basis to what they're saying? Well, according to the U.S. Forest Service, fire burn acreage is down 80% over the last 80 years. And in 1938, the New York Times reported there was a forest fire every 3 minutes in 1937. That's a lot more fires than we have now. According to NOAA, springtime precipitation is increasing in the U.S., and all recent years have been wet in the spring. Based on NOAA temperature data, U.S. springtime maximum temperatures show no trend since the start of the last century. 5 of the 6 warmest springs occurred more than 40 years ago. May days over 90 degrees are very rare now, but they used to be quite common. In 1934, more than 15% of May U.S. temperatures were over 90 degrees. 1911 and 1962 also had very hot Mays, but the last 2 years have been near record low numbers of 90-degree days. NOAA and NASA claim that these were the 2 hottest years on record. On this date in 1934, temperatures in North and South Dakota reached 105 degrees. Red markers on this map represent 100-degree temperatures. Yellow markers represent 90-degree temperatures. Weather that hot in early May is inconceivable now. During the 3 days from May 7th to May 9th, 1934, 90 and 100-degree temperatures were widespread across the U.S., about 30 degrees warmer than temperatures this year. During that same month of May 1934, drought covered more than 3/4 of the United States. Much of it was extreme drought, shown in these dark red colors. Compare that with this year, where drought is near a record low in the United States. Some California ski areas still have 20 feet of snow on the ground and may stay open continuously until the next ski season. Whenever there's a dry winter or an early fire, climate experts claim that it's a trend. But this is because they either don't look at the data or they choose to ignore it. The data says the exact opposite of what climate scientists claim. Upton Sinclair said, "It's difficult to make a man understand something when his salary depends on him not understanding it." No place is this truer than climate science, which is the ultimate junk science profession. Visit Toto on the web at realclimatescience.com. He's been pulling back the curtain on junk science for a long time.